Welcome back, viewers. This is Jason from Jason G Designs. Even though this tutorial is part of a series, I wrote this one to be standalone as well. When you get a generated theme from Oomox, you get these files like gtk.gresource and gtk.gresource.xml. Right off the bat, you notice that it is not straightforward how to adjust the CSS to your liking. By the way, as discussed in the previous tutorial, the trick is to link to the gtk.css file within the dist folder. This is done from an even more confusing top-level gtk.css file found in the GTK3 folder. The theme is presented as a compiled binary, meant to only be interpreted by a computer. The gtk.gresource.xml file determines what is to be compiled. In the last tutorial, we removed some lines of XML from this file, as well as changed the theme's CSS. What this tutorial teaches is how to recompile the newer version back into a binary file. In this screenshot for the top-level gtk.css file, we pointed the import URL to dist/gtk.css, where we were making changes from. We will need to work from a command line terminal for the next steps. Let's do a list all command to see if we have a .themes folder. Then navigate to our Oomox generated theme. In this case, it is Omnu Champagne. From here, we go into the GTK-3.20 directory. Listing again, let's look for the gtk.gresource.xml file. At the command line, we recompile by typing glib-compile-resources followed by a space and gtk.gresource.xml. Press enter. I would like to mention where I got the information for this particular command. It was from a website named Wibbly Stuff that has now been archived. This article was authored by the original developer of Themix. It is a good idea to test if it worked. In the last tutorial about GTK adjustments, we made some significant changes to the look of the file selection dialog box. This is a good example to see if our changes took place. In the gtk.css file, we are going to uncomment the top import statement that points to the binary. Then, we will comment out the import statement that points to the dist folder. In GTK3 Widget Factory, let's refresh by checking and unchecking the Dark Theme menu item. Upon opening the file selection dialog again, it should look the same. And that pretty much sums it up. Point the top-level gtk.css file to dist/gtk.css, make your changes, recompile, and set the theme back to its original resource location. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you found it useful, as it helps out the YouTube algorithm.